Morning everyone, this is me Pravartika and I hope you guys are doing well in your life. So this is my very first interactive and chit chat kind of a video on my channel and I have been super excited to finally post this video. So firstly let me give you a very brief introduction कि मेरी आज की वीडियो किस बारे में होने वाली है. So recently there was a Korean home cooking competition organized by Keto India. Now Keto India is basically a South Korean tourism organization. So they held this Korean home cooking competition on Instagram. So this basically we had to prepare an authentic Korean recipe and post the video on our page. Now many of you might not be knowing but I already have a food page on Instagram named as Sweet and Savory Life. So definitely go and check that out. I have given the link in the description box down. And especially when I heard about कि ये किसी Korean organization held करा रही है and they're giving this K mystery box as a prize to all the winners. So this made me very curious कि मुझे ये try करना है and I had to try this. I prepared this recipe and I posted the video on YouTube as well as on my page. And finally after weeks the result came out and I won. The best part is that by using my cooking abilities I won a prize which I was actually willing to win because it is filled with all Korean goodies. I love everything about Korea, whether it's K-dramas, K-pop, K-food, K-culture, Korean guys, everything I love about Korea. Let me show you कि उन्होंने मुझे भेजा क्या है. So this is the huge box which they sent me and big thanks to Keto India for organizing such kind of home cooking contest during this all lockdown kind of phase. And secondly they have chosen winners from all over India and they have gifted such a beautiful box. मतलब this is a very unusual and one of the best gifts to receive for a Korean fan. Yeah, without wasting any more time, let's finally unbox this box and see what all goodies are in here. So yeah, let's get started.
Something in your eyes, tell me who I am. Something in my heart, whenever you're near.
Soon as I opened the box, I got this sweet letter from Korea Tourism Organization. If you want, you can read this on the screen. So the very first thing which I've got is these instant coffee sachets. Now these are from Maxim and I have seen this brand a lot in a recent K-drama named Vincenzo starring Song Joong Ki. These are actual Korean instant coffees which they use a lot. Now the next thing is Lotte Choco Pie from Lotte and ये तो I guess सभी लोगों ने खाया होगा at least इंडिया में. तो जिन को नहीं पता मैं बता दूं जो ये Lotte ब्रांड है ये मेनली साउथ कोरिया का है and this is a very huge brand in South Korea. And they literally have big showrooms of Lotte duty free everywhere. Now the next thing is this red colored box which is called Pepero and this is basically a cookie stick dipped in chocolate and this is from the brand Lotte. ये same Lotte है जिसका Lotte Choco Pie होता है. I'll open this and show you कि अंदर से कैसा दिखता है. The taste was exactly like a biscuit dipped in melted chocolate or Nutella. So next thing is white dot. It is basically a biscuit made up of milk cream and mascarpone cheese. So the taste was actually very milky. It was basically a cheese tart flavored cookie with a dash of chocolate. Now it's time for my most waited and favorite thing which is ramyeon. So now I've got one Shin ramyeon. Now this is basically a bit spicy. The best part about the ramen is that the size is so perfect and sufficient for one person. So the second one which I've got is ramen kimchi. This is kimchi flavored ramyeon and it is mild spicy. And in almost every K-drama there is definitely a ramyeon scene which makes us crave to eat ramyeon.
Almost paradise,
Now the second one is this blue purple colored travel luggage tag and this has picture of two Korean actresses over it and this is super cute. Plus I really want to visit South Korea at least once in my lifetime. Next is a very classy black face mask. We all know कि कोविड की वजह से कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है हम सब के लिए एंड सेकेंडली ये जिस मटेरियल का बना है दैट इज़ वेरी कंफर्टेबल एंड ब्रीदेबल. Next product is totally mind-blowing. It is a lip sleeping mask from Laneige and the color is pink and the fragrance is berry. So the fragrance was really sweet and the product is actually very good. It was super smooth and totally pink. So next is a K-beauty product from Innisfree. This is Jeju Life perfumed hand cream. If you don't know, then Jeju is actually an island in South Korea, and the fragrance of this cream was absolutely amazing and floral and a bit fruity type. Now it's time for the most popular K-beauty product, that is face sheet mask. So I got two of these. Now one is a lemon sheet mask from Tony Moly and the second one is a bamboo sheet mask from Face Shop. Next is a travel kit from Skylake, and there were 4 products in this. The name shows that the products are herbal, so I guess that it was made up of mint or peppermint because the smell was exactly of peppermint. There was a body wash, a body lotion, a conditioner and also a shampoo in this kit, and inside the shampoo I guess there was a mint leaf. Next is this big colorful hand fan, and this is quite pretty. So now it's time for the booklets. So this is the Korea travel guidebook, and इसके अंदर सब कुछ दिया है regarding their tourist places, food, culture and everything. So next is this Korean cooking cookbook for Indian homes. So this is the actual cookbook जिसमें से हमें रेसिपी बनानी थी for our competition, and this booklet contains a lot of Korean recipes, authentic Korean recipes with the easiest steps and easily available ingredients. And as I love cooking and recipe books, so this is definitely the most useful and interesting thing for me. So last but not the least is this map of South Korea, and it is huge. It has all the main locations and detailed location marked over it. So lastly, thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.